T-minus 15 seconds. T-minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. We have main engine start. 4, 3, 2,
We have a report
1,
from the flight dynamics
and
officer that the
liftoff.
vehicle has exploded.
Liftoff of the 25th Space Shuttle mission, and it has cleared the
Checking with the
tower.
recovery forces. See
Oh,
what
okay,
they've done.
lift off! Oh my gosh!
Dude, we are witnessing
That is
history.
amazing. That's so cool. Hopefully it doesn't explode.
Engines throttling up. 3 engines now at 104%.
Challenger, go with throttle up. Challenger, go with throttle up.
Whoa! 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 Whoa!
Bro, what just happened? Oh, God.
Do you think the commie shot it down?
100%
Had to be Russia.
Had to be. Who else would do that? Try to counter Sputnik. Oh my goodness. You think this is live?
No, dude, it blew up.
Bro, there's a teacher on this. There's a teacher on
Yeah,
that.
the first teacher. She's gonna teach the ghosts.
900 feet per second altitude, 9 nautical miles. Downrange distance, 7 nautical miles.